Hey, what's up guys? Today we are setting up these pendant lights behind me that we picked up off of Amazon. So if you want to see how we set these up, stick around. Alright guys, so you see we already have one on, but the first thing that we did was mark exactly where we wanted it. Of course it's going to be different for everybody, wherever you want your lights. Ours, we wanted it over this island, and we measured even spaces to space it evenly and centered where the countertop will be. So we got our marks. We had to move them over a little bit because we had a stud here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the hole for the new box. We're using our dust bowl here. If you haven't seen the little review I did on this, check it out. This is a great pickup. Got it off Amazon as well. All right, there, we got it. Ready? Boom, that's it guys. I got all my dust here. Not a lot falling on here. So we picked up these boxes. These are for old work, so you don't have to hang anything. You don't have to open this up, or you don't have to put a brace. And our pendant lights are less than 10 pounds. These are made up to hold up to 10 pounds. So we're gonna hammer them in, and then we'll tighten these screws in here, and it'll cause these little things to push up against the drywall and hold it in there. So these are the Motini Globe pendant lights. They're 10 inches in diameter, and these are brushed brass. They have brushed silver and the black ones as well. We picked up 3. So first you have your instructions and your screws. All right, and your globe comes wrapped in paper. Your base and the hanging bracket, and then this is the part that attaches to the glass globe, along with a pretty long amount of wire, extra wire. These go pretty long. This is all the extra wire we cut off of the first one, so we had quite a bit. It goes pretty long. And then it comes with 3 long extensions and a short one. So if you have really tall ceilings or vaulted ceilings, you can put it. And also this base, it can move. This is the part where the little arm sticks on there. So if you have a vaulted ceiling where this needs to be at an angle like that, it would also work. So these are made for vaulted ceilings. They would work. This is not fixed. We have the top with the wires on it. This is the part that goes on the globe, the 3 wires. So I just put these 3 together like we were connecting it, and we're just using 1 extension because our ceilings are regular 8-foot ceilings. We don't need them to drop that much, and we'll just run them all through here. We are using 2 extensions. We're actually using this one that's a foot long, about a foot long, and then we've got this like 3-inch extension that we're also adding to this part. So we're just screwing it on right there, and then we are removing this part. These parts come off. This little silver piece, since we already have it on this part. All right, and so we took the cord, we cut it down and gave enough for us to have leftover to work with, but we're gonna tie these all together. All right, and then we're gonna run them through this. All right, there we go. Boom. All right, we got it. join these two pieces. Boom. Alright, and then we'll pull out our glass globe.
Be careful with this part.
What?
Be careful with this part.
Yeah, be careful with this. Let's try though. Alright, so this just has two little Phillips head screws here at the top that we're going to pull out. Whoops. Alright, so at this point, of course you want to add your light bulb and stuff. We're not adding that, we're hanging them to make sure they look good and they're where we want them, and put the new boxes in, but then we're going to take them down to paint. So we're just going to put them like this. Punch your hole. Be careful, don't over tighten because you'll break that glass. There it is right there. Alright, so we got our light fixture ready. We got this ready. That's what it looks like, guys. Alright, so next, this is where we're going to install the bracket on the box. Alright, these are the screws that are going to hold up your fixture. And these are the screws that are going to hold up your bracket. These come in this little red bag right here. So we are going to put this like this. Alright, so we got our bracket on. Alright guys, and then at this point you would connect your fixture to the wiring. We haven't had the electrician come out and finish the wiring for this. It's a little bit of a last minute add. So we're just going to leave it like this for now. We just want to see where they're going to go. Get the boxes done. And then the electrician will get someone out to run the new switch and the new box in the attic for this. Alright, so this is not live. There's no electricity. This is not connected to anything. Alright, that's it guys. There we go. And they look good. Alright guys, so thanks for checking out the video. I hope it helps if you are looking for some pendant lights, or if you bought these and you're trying to set them up. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and if you liked the video and it helped in any way, please hit that like down below and hit that subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. I'll see you guys next week.